So addressing the leaders then who are listening to this podcast, and I know there's many of them in senior roles and they own their own companies, all these kinds of things. Where would you encourage them to begin in order to strengthen their internal operations?
One, getting behind this initiative and being a champion for it in their organization, and then start dialing in the processes. In other words, understanding what the workflow looks like, understand it from, let's say a typical workflow would be the field is requesting particular tools or certain materials, et cetera. How does that order come into the organization? Who manages that? How do they fulfill that order? How do they turn that around and get that back out? Companies that don't have good operations, we've seen them take more than a week, sometimes 2 weeks to turn around a simple order for items. And you can imagine what that's doing to their productivity in the field.